The Directional Movement Index, or DMI, is a trend-following indicator that helps traders determine the strength and direction of a trend. Developed by J. Wells Wilder, the DMI is composed of three key lines: the positive directional indicator, the negative directional indicator, and the average directional index. Together, they provide insights into whether a market is trending and the strength of that trend. To add the indicator to your TradingView chart, go to the Indicators menu and search for it. The positive directional indicator, plus DI, measures the strength of upward movements, while the negative directional indicator, minus DI, measures the strength of downward movements. The average directional index, or ADX, measures the strength of the trend, regardless of its direction. When the ADX is rising, it indicates that the trend, whether up or down, is gaining strength. A value above 25 is generally considered to indicate a strong trend, while values below 20 suggest a weak or non-trending market. One of the key features of the indicator is its ability to identify not only the direction, but also the strength of a trend. When the plus DI line is above the minus DI line, it indicates that upward pressure is greater than downward pressure, suggesting a bullish trend. Conversely, when the minus DI line is above the plus DI line, it indicates a bearish trend. The ADX line, meanwhile, provides additional context on how robust that trend is. A rising ADX signals strengthening momentum, while a falling ADX suggests that the trend is weakening. The DMI is particularly effective for identifying trading opportunities in trending markets. A common strategy involves using crossovers between the plus DI and minus DI lines. For example, when the plus DI crosses above the minus DI, it can signal a potential buying opportunity, indicating that upward momentum is gaining the upper hand. When the minus DI crosses above the plus DI, it may signal a selling opportunity. The ADX line can then be used to confirm whether the trend has enough strength to justify the trade. Combining the DMI with other indicators can further enhance its effectiveness. For example, pairing the DMI with a moving average can help confirm the trend direction, while using it alongside an oscillator like the RSI can provide additional context on momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. If the DMI indicates a strong uptrend and the RSI is not yet in overbought territory, it may confirm a buying opportunity with minimal resistance. Despite its strengths, the DMI also has limitations. During choppy or sideways markets, the plus DI and DI lines may generate frequent crossovers, leading to false signals. This can make it challenging for traders to identify valid entry and exit points. Likewise, while the ADX is useful for determining trend strength, it does not indicate the direction of the trend, which can sometimes lead to confusion without careful interpretation. To mitigate these challenges, it's best to use the DMI in combination with other forms of technical analysis and to focus on markets that are showing clear trending behavior.